The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies is arguably the most important factor to consider before you decide to invest. The minting process for many cryptocurrencies is very energy intensive, to the point that the carbon footprint of Bitcoin alone is comparable to that of entire countries. Although the environmental impact may not affect you directly, or at least not yet, it is an unavoidable part of weighing up whether or not to invest in cryptocurrencies. Despite the intangible and unseen nature of cryptocurrencies and digital assets more generally, one of the single biggest issues plaguing the market is care, custody, and control. As crypto holders seek to exit the intangible asset class, returning to fiat currencies or other assets, which are often loathed by many crypto purists, their flight to safety or liquidity most often takes them to the greenback. While the price pegs work well on the way into cryptocurrencies as investors informed by their animal spirits who want in on a speculative wave have a willingness to pay at a stated value or peg. On the way out, however, this mark-to-market features sees many investors subjected to downward price pressure, which highlights the adverse effects of illiquidity, narrow exits, and narrow participation in the asset class. Just as with regulations, there are few established accounting guidelines for cryptocurrencies. Many regulatory bodies have yet to define what a cryptocurrency is. Is it a financial instrument, cash equivalent, or intangible asset? Regarding ICOs, there are questions about how issuers and recipients should treat these transactions for accounting purposes. Are they issuing equity in a company or should it have liability treatment? Or is it a prepaid asset or intangible asset to the recipient and deferred revenue for the issuer? There are no definitive answers yet. Just as with any new and disruptive technology, the ecosystem around cryptocurrencies is evolving fast. If this is an area in which you are interested in investing, you should not only be drawn by the appreciation and volatility. You must have to understand how cryptocurrencies works, their purpose, and how the ecosystem works around it is important before making an investment. Ownership of cryptocurrencies is unenforceable in court, so an investor has no recourse if their cryptocurrency is stolen or lost. Similarly, an investor typically has no legal recourse if transactions are completed on terms that differ from those to which they agreed. Of course, you all would have easily understood if my video helped you understand. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.